3 things that people could do to upgrade their health through nutrition would be just even the quality of water that you're drinking, best foods to do for pre and post yoga practice. Let's do that. I like to practice on empty stomach, and that was something that I worked up to, but I think having a smoothie or a juice of some sort where you can get in, a pound or 2 of vegetables. So cravings are, everybody has them, so we could be craving things like pasta or sugar or fats, whatever it is. A lot of dietary regimes come from where we were brought up. Food combining is really important, because if you're eating a meat and a carbohydrate and a grain together, it causes a lot of chaoticness and disruption in the gut.